Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a legendary actress from EastEnders join the cast of Waterloo Road? As you avid viewers and supporters, you'll notice that exciting news regarding the series planning for 15th season is just around the corner. Guess what? Lindsey Coulson, famed for her role as Carol Jackson in EastEnders, is set to shine as the new head teacher, Dame Stella Drake. Prepare yourselves for a captivating experience as Coulson fully immerses herself into the heart and soul of the series. It's no secret that Dame Stella possesses a fierce work ethic, unwavering moral compass, and unapologetic directness. Fans can anticipate significant changes at Waterloo Road as her blunt honesty stirs some tensions. Get ready to witness behind the scenes brilliance as Coulson hops onto Waterloo Road to unravel the complexities of the powerful role. With an all-star cast, writers and production team lined up, your favorite series promises to deliver an even greater story. Are you prepared for the on-screen magic this season will bring? Strap on your seats and get ready for the ride. And Waterloo Road Season 15 is coming to BBC One and BBC iPlayer in 2025, just in time for a school year full of are you able to watch the most recent seasons on BBC iPlayer? Even the magic that, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. And as a friendly reminder, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up.